Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoNinjas. Today we're diving deep into one of the biggest exchanges in the world right now, OKX. If you're new to crypto, or even if you've been trading for a while, this guide is going to be a full walkthrough of how OKX works in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your account, secure it properly, complete your KYC, deposit funds, and use all the different features like trading, earning, and more. So let's get started. First off, what is OKX? Well, OKX is one of the top crypto exchanges globally. Right now, in 2025, OKX is consistently ranking in the top 5 exchanges in the world in terms of trading volume, liquidity, and number of listed assets. Millions of traders across the globe trust OKX not only because of its liquidity, but also because of its innovation. They've built a full ecosystem that includes trading, earning, DeFi tools, and even Web3 features. That's why OKX is considered one of the best places to start if you're looking to trade or invest in crypto this year. All right, let's walk through step by step how to use OKX. Step 1, registration. To get started, you need to create an account. Head over to the OKX website or download the mobile app. You'll see the sign up option. Just enter your email or phone number, create a password, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to save money on trading fees, make sure you use our referral code CNJYT during sign up or click the link in the description. That will give you a massive 40% discount on trading fees for life, which is one of the best deals out there right now. Step 2, security setup. Once you're inside your account, the very first thing you should do is secure it. OKX offers 6 different authentication methods to keep your account safe. You can enable passkey, like with your phone's built in facial recognition, then email verification, SMS verification, Google Authenticator, also known as two factor authentication. Then there's also password verification for withdrawals. And finally, an anti phishing code. That anti phishing code is really important because it helps you confirm whether an email or notification is truly from OKX or a scammer. With so many phishing attacks happening in crypto, you definitely want to set that up. Step 3, KYC verification. The next step is completing your KYC. That's Know Your Customer Verification, which is required for withdrawals and higher trading limits. The process is pretty straightforward. You upload your government ID, like a passport or driver's license, and then take a quick face scan to confirm your identity. Approval usually happens in a few minutes to a couple of hours. Step 4, depositing funds. Now, let's get some money into your account. OKX gives you a few different options. If you already own crypto, you can just deposit via on chain transfer. Pick an asset like USDC, for example, and your preferred chain, like Solana. Then send USDC to that SO address. Keep in mind, if you send the wrong asset or the wrong chain, you could lose your deposits. You can still contact customer support, but it's not guaranteed to get back your funds. So be careful, always double check. If you want to use fiat, you can use the P2P marketplace to buy USDC or other stablecoins directly from verified merchants. This could be risky if you chose the wrong merchants. Here's a quick tip. Look at their transaction amount, completion percentage, and rating. The higher these are, the better. I personally look for merchants with at least tens of thousands of transactions, with at least 99% completion rate and 99% upvote. Or you can choose Express, which finds you the best merchants that has your preferred payment method. So you don't have to pick by hand. Once you've got funds in your account, you're ready to explore everything OKX has to offer. Step 5, navigating the OKX interface. At the top of the website or app, you'll see several tabs. Let's go through them one by one so you know exactly what they do. The first tab is Discover. This has 3 main sections. Markets. This is where you can see all the tokens listed on OKX across categories like Layer 1s, DeFi, real world assets, memes, and more. This is where you can find your favorite tokens. Next section is opportunities. This is a really useful feature. It shows you rankings of tokens that are trending, top gainers, top losers, and other interesting market data. Perfect for spotting potential plays. And finally, the marketplace. This is where you'll find tools built by other users on OKX, like trading bots and copy trading strategies for both spot and futures. But here's my advice: be careful. Copy trading and bots might look easy, but you can lose money quickly if you choose the wrong bots or traders to copy. Next, the second tab is Trade. This is where the core trading happens, and there are a few different options. Convert, the easiest way to swap one crypto for another instantly with zero fees. This is best for new users with little to low volume. It basically lets you swap in just one click. However, for large orders, the exchange rate is often unrewarding. So I suggest using the spot trading feature. Now, spot trading, this is where you buy and sell crypto the traditional way with limit and market orders. Futures, for advanced traders who want to trade with leverage on BTC, ETH, and many other coins. OKX has top of the market fees for futures trading with 0.02% for maker and 0.05% for taker, meaning if you use limit order, your fees is 0.02%, while market is 0.05%. This fee structure is competitive. Then there is options, which lets you trade derivatives like calls and puts. And the newest feature, pre-market perpetuals. This is pretty cool. It allows you to trade perpetual futures on tokens before they're officially listed on the spot market. A way to get early exposure, but also comes with higher risk. You can trade the World Liberty financial token of the Trump family right now. Then we have the Grow tab. This is all about making your crypto work for you. The Earn section allows you to stake your assets or put them in flexible savings to earn passive income. The Loan section lets you borrow against your crypto or lend your assets out. And finally, Jumpstart. This is OKX's launch pool feature. You can stake required tokens, usually BTC or OKB, to farm brand new project tokens at launch. The next tab is Institutional. This one isn't really for beginners, but just so you know, it's designed for big trading firms and institutions that need professional grade services like API trading and custodial solutions. Then comes the Learn tab. This is super valuable if you're new to crypto. OKX has a full learning hub with free educational content on blockchain, trading basics, risk management, and even advanced strategies. Honestly, this section alone is worth exploring if you're just getting started. And finally, we have the More tab. This is where you'll find the Campaign Center, where OKX promotes its latest events, the Reward Center, where you can claim bonuses for completing tasks, and then the Referral and Affiliate programs, where you can invite friends and earn commissions from their trading fees. And that's the full tour of OKX in 2025. So, to wrap up, OKX is one of the most powerful and complete exchanges in the world right now. It's perfect for both beginners who just want to buy and hold, and also for advanced traders who want access to futures, options, and unique features like pre market perps. Plus, with features like Earn, Jumpstart, and Learn, it really is a full ecosystem. If you're thinking about getting started, make sure to use our referral code CNJYT on the screen when signing up to save 40% on trading fees. That's a huge advantage in the long run. All right, guys, that's it for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials, reviews, and insights every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.